Okay, welcome. This is a painting here, and I'm not sure who this guy is, but I can see the crack of his ass. What I want to start with this morning, good morning, everybody. I'm not home, and it's 10-pin bowling. 10 pin. 10 equals to 39, reverse 81. The difference is 42. That's your cat, that's your 9 to 5. That's the separation between 6 and 8. I usually use 6 man and 8 the heavens, reverse to the 9 birth, so I have to really understand that. It should usually look like that, right? In which, once you connect it, it'll end up to be the stop sign with the circle. So there's green and red in the circle, 50 and 25, equaling to 75, and that's our Herbie gateway through the moon. Pin equals to 16, 9, or pi and 14 equals to 39, 25, 35, 39. So we get the same thing, 4, 2, 2, 4, or 3, 5, 5, 3, and that's your energy. Runs into the S letter, 44, 3 and 4, 19. I'm not going to go any further, but what I want to talk about 10-pin bowling is, here's the scoring. 30 in the first frame, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270. In the 10th frame, all three come together. When I reverse it, it goes this way, right? But the reality of reversing the 10th frame, okay, actually, I should just finish it off. What I did is, instead of adding it together, because adding all these numbers together in their own perspective, going forward and backwards, will be 330. Right? 33, 33, 33, which comes into that magic square of 33 that Jamie did. So now we go down to the red sun. 210 would be your birth in the Mayan, into Mars, into creation of the birth. So here we have the split menorah down the center, and we have 60, 180, 300, 420 communication with the cat. 9 and 5, the E-I-E-I-O world, and then we drive it right into the sun. You notice the way it's going to be split over here, and which, when you do split, you end up with this over here, and here's your B in the center, and your horns for the bull Taurus. So I'm assuming that we're somehow split in Taurus, right? Here's your 90. Your 90 turns into your 180. Your 150, right? 15 and 15 in tennis. You get it twice, and then it shoots down to 10, sorry, right? The other thing about this, what I'm going to do, is that when you're running from the 10 position, okay, it's 30 in the 10th frame. So when you come into the 9th frame, okay, you need the 9th frame, the 8th frame, and the 7th frame, which your birth into the gateway, which will get you to your next 30. It's not the same as going 1, 2, 3 at the beginning. When you go bowling, you have to bowl into the first, second, and third frame before you add up this frame here. But once you're in the 10th frame, you get your totality of 30 in the 10th, and then in the 9th, 8th, and 7 accumulated to get your next 30. So we can be getting a strike in the 9th frame on birth, bringing us to 40. We add the 8th, brings us to 50. We get into the 7, brings us to 70. 3's 3 comes together, and they call it Federation X. That's it for now. I'm going to bring 5-pin bowling into this next. I'm going to be discussing this next. I went through it real quick. Just want to show you this little design here, and where 666 comes into the factor. And the reason for that is because of these angles, 234 to 216, and it's right here split at the 45 degree between the 90 and the 180. Thank you for watching. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Welcome to today.